The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Carver County, northeast McLeod County, Meeker County, southwestern Wright County, until 10 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., radar indicated a storm capable of producing a tornado and destructive straight-line winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. The most dangerous part of this storm was 4 miles southeast of Grove City and moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Litchfield, Hutchinson, Grove City, Cedar Mills, Darwin, Dassel, Cokato, Biscay, Silver Lake, Howard Lake, Winsted, Waverly, Leicester Prairie, New Germany. When a tornado warning is issued based on radar, it means that strong rotation has been detected in the storm. A tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Sunday evening for southwestern Minnesota.